Understand this. For those of you who are eating meat, understand that they are eating us. That you are eating us. You are eating of my family's flesh. Just know, right? When I get on here and I'm cursing and you see this aggression, just know we're preparing. We will prepare. We are preparing. Just know. I'll be ready. I'll be ready when it's time for this shit to burn. I'll be ready. I'll be fucking ready. You hungry bitches stealing and eating kids. Just wait. Patience. Patient like nature. Patient like nature. Mother Nature herself. The patience, the patience, the patience, the patience.